Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to do another video. And this video is coming from a client, a realtor, and what the realtor would like to do is share with current clients other additional international properties. So we have the realtor's current website, and what the realtor would like to do is add an additional tab here to allow people to see international properties. And we could do that. So as you can see, if you click the first choice, search available properties, you can see different type of properties and search and sort and see different options for that particular type of property. So we're going to add a tab here called View International Properties. So this is a mock-up. This is the actual website itself again. And we went ahead and added the tab here link called View International Properties. And for this example, I just showed a link called View International Properties. And when you click it, due to some technical reasons, it won't work right now, but it could be worked around. So when you click the link, and I'm going to use open in a new tab, you'll be redirected to the international real estate property. As you can see, the same type of choices show up. You can search other properties, but what the client really wants is to be able to click this particular link or menu option. And in the web development world, this is just nothing more than a link. So I'm going to show how if you could click a link and stay within that same web page or website. So here's my example. As you see the link, click Realtors Other International Properties. And as you click the link, you'll be taken to the international property the realtor has available. So I'm going to take this link here, copy it, and I'm going to then go to the code, because we don't know, the link that the realtor would want to go to. But for this example, we're just going to paste in an arbitrary website. As you can see, 7 Heaven Properties, and here's some basic CSS styling, and we're using a frame. This is an old technology called frames, and when you click the link, it's going to redirect you to the international website within the page. So I'm going to save this, do a quick save under File, and we have Properties, View International Properties, and as I said, it takes you to the other international property in Dominican Republic. And now, just for example, we're going to show you how this link would act independently. And here we are, we have a web page. This is just a blank web page. And when you click the link, let me refresh it real quick. You should be seeing the current website with it, but within that website, you'll see displaying the international property. So I click, and here it is, 7 Heaven International Properties within the current web page. And I could add some scroll bars to this to make it so that the client could scroll within it and see that there are other international property while they're currently on the same website. So I hope you liked this video. This was just a quick web page tip. And if you like to continue to see videos about web page tips and fixes, please leave a comment below. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.